Yeah, family. So, as you guys can see, just another day in the life of the flip game. What y'all thought, man? See, the funny thing is, people start to turn their back on you. Like, they're like, LeVar, man, what you been doing? Like, like, y'all be sleeping. Don't ever sleep on VAR, man. Y'all know, come on, I'm your brother, man. Don't y'all ever sleep on VAR, man. What's wrong with y'all? Don't ever sleep on VAR, man. So anyways, like I said, when I'm just in the neighborhood, when I'm out just doing my everyday thing now, I do some flips, right? So today, guys, I turned potentially, what is this? I don't even know the numbers, right? So let me just check the receipt here. Let me just hold up. Let me just look at this receipt here. So that's $5. That's $5 right there. $5.28, because somebody's gonna see the 28 cents and says, no, it's not $5. That was $5.28, right? So let me see this one. What does this one say? What does this one say? This one says $9, right? So $9.52, right? So see, and we got a couple items here, guys. So I got 1, 2, right? 2, 3, 4 items. All right, so 4 items. 4 items. Let me show you guys. Let me just take this out. 1, 2. There's 2 of these. This thing right here and that little thing right there. Okay, so 4 items. Now, already you guys can see that I have the Jungle Scout estimator open. 120 of these sell a month, and this was the color of the day right here. You see that? So I got that for $2.50. So I got both of those for $5. All right. Now what I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna go here to my Amazon seller app. Here's what I got. This is them right here. You see? You guys can see right there, right? And then I'm gonna show you, boom, right here. Here it is, right? The same exact thing. Great reviews, 1,000+ reviews. About 120 of these sell a month. There's not that many sellers on it at all. And check it out. Look at my profits. $15.69. So I paid $2.50 for it. So let's see how much I make. All right, so $2.50. So I paid $2. I make $13.19 on each one of those. I have 2 of them. All right, so I paid $2.50 and I make $13.19, guys. That's flipping your money. Now, here's another item right here that I paid $1 for. This is a $1 purchase. All right, so because it's $2, but if you see right here, it's $2, but orange was the color of the day. So let's see. Orange was the color of the day. So let's see how much I paid for that. Where is it? I gotta back up. Here we go. Boom, right here. It's $55,000 in home improvement. There wasn't really that many reviews. There's no reviews on it, right? So this could be a subcategory, but I'm still going to purchase this because I still purchased it because it was only $1. It was only $1, right? So the risk to reward ratio is well worth it for me because it was only $1. And if you look here, guys, my profits is for $1 I make, oh my bad, my phone went off. For $1 I make $12.68. $12.68. So my $1 can turn to 12. That's a how much percent ROI? All right, so that's that. This is the only item that I didn't get half off, but guys, this is gonna blow your mind. Okay, this is a brand new item. I already looked at it. It's a brand new item. I got it for $7.99, right? The only thing I'm concerned about is little punctures in the box, like that one little puncture right there. So at the very worst case scenario, if I had to list this as used, I could and still make a profit. But I want to show you guys the profit as new because it is new. Besides that little puncture in the box, you know, people are picky. So I mean, I have to really think that over. But check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at this. Look. 700 reviews, right? And check it out. Great BSR, right? Not only that, look at this. Look at the profits. $158. $158 as new. Now, if I sell it as used, dramatically changes to 17 bucks, which I'm still making $10 profit if I sell it as used, around 10 bucks profit, right? If I sell it as used, but I'm gonna go for the new baby. I'm going for the big bang. That little scratch on the box is nothing, right? So I'm gonna go for the big bang. I'm gonna make sure everything is in there. I'm gonna make sure it is new, but this is what I'm going for right here. Guys, check that out, $158. So family, now family, if we add up what I just did, and I decided to make a retail arbitrage video just because, I mean, you guys are my family. Y'all been sleeping on me, man. Like, I don't know why my fam be sleeping on me. Like, don't ever sleep on your brother. I'm your brother. Don't ever sleep on me, y'all. All right, so let me see, 14, yeah, 15. So I spent 15 bucks, turned 15. So the title of this video, family, the title of this video is about to be turn 15 to $197 today. How I turned $15 into $197 today. And now, I hate making videos like this. I hate making videos like this. This is why I stopped making videos like this. You know why? I'm gonna be honest with you, family. Now I'm gonna rant to you. So if you guys are done watching the video, then click off. But I'm about to freaking rant because a lot of you guys are making me upset. You know why? Because we fam. I've been doing this for y'all for 2 years, and we fam. We fam. I looked out for y'all for 2 years. I do all this stuff for free. I spend my time filming all of this stuff for you, not for me, not for me. You know, because if it was for me, I would continue to do retail arbitrage videos because it made me money. The retail arbitrage videos make me the most money. So if I wanted to make more money, I would do these types of videos every single day. But you know why I don't? You know why I don't? Because this doesn't help you. This doesn't help you. I already did all the videos you need to see to get started with retail arbitrage and make a killing and make even more than me. For those of you that want to know everything to do with retail arbitrage, at the end of this video, I will post postcards to the videos you need. As a matter of fact, I want you to finish listening to me rant right now, but if you don't, you don't. Below this video, I'll post links to the only videos you need for retail arbitrage. The best step-by-step video out there, I made it. The best step-by-step how to send your items to Amazon, I made the best step-by-step video. I'm gonna post it down in the link in the description for you. The best step-by-step video, everything you need to sell on Amazon, the tools that I use, I'm gonna post I made that video too. I'm gonna post it below this video. I'm gonna give you guys, those are the only videos you need. The top 3 videos you need, I'm gonna post. Like the BSR to know what categories and how you know it's a good item to buy, I'm gonna post that video below this as well. So you only really need 3 main videos. All the other stuff, all you guys are doing are helping the YouTubers make money. When you watch these videos, that's all you're doing, is helping YouTubers make money. And I'm in it. Yeah, I need money. I love money. I want to make money. Don't get me wrong. I want to make money. But it's not just about the money to me. This is why I stopped making retail arbitrage videos, because I actually care about my fam. But see, you guys, y'all don't recognize that. Y'all don't recognize that. You know why I know y'all don't recognize that? Because I get a lot of people that say, like, LeVar, yo, you know, what happened to you? You know, I used to love when you was being real with the being real. I'm always being real. Every video I make, I'm being real. Just because I'm not showing retail arbitrage, me shopping and buying stuff in the stores, doesn't mean I'm not being real. How am I not being real? You see, look, this is cool. You can make money doing this. Great money doing this. Do it. I advise all of you guys, anyone watching this, anyone that's this first time seeing me, do it. Do this, okay? The problem is, watching these videos all the time is not doing anything for you. You're not making money by watching me buy stuff in the store and I'm making money. You're not making money from that, right? And then another thing is, retail arbitrage will not work for everybody. It can, I believe it can, but it won't. Because some people just don't have the mindset. Some people are not motivated enough. Some people can't get through all the restrictions. There's tons of restrictions, and it's getting harder each day, each year. It's getting more and more harder. Amazon is cracking down on people. It's getting harder, okay? So there's gonna be a lot of people that try and fail and give up. A lot, way more people are gonna fail than the people that succeed in retail arbitrage. But it's the same with any business. Now, the cool thing about retail arbitrage is a lot more people will win with retail arbitrage than any other business model because it's really, really easy to do. But even with those winners, there's gonna be a lot more losers when they try this. And I hate to say losers, there's gonna be people that just fail at it, okay? I'm not calling you a loser, I'm just saying. So you guys gotta understand, I know that I was destined to help people. I know that I was destined to help, but it's not just with retail arbitrage, it's a mind frame. My mind is gifted. God gifted me with a great mind, and I need to share my thoughts with the world. That's what this YouTube channel's for me, okay? So if you are fam like you say you are, you would understand that. You would understand that, you would support that, because I do all this for you guys. I do all this for you guys. And I don't care, at the end of the day, as long as I spark one person, that's really all that matters to me. If I help somebody, that's all that matters to me. This is cool. This is cool, but that's not gonna help you. Watching me do that all the time is not going to help you, okay? All right, like, so for those of you that understand that, give this video a freaking thumbs up. Now, I'm not saying I'll never make retail arbitrage videos again. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying I'll never make a retail arbitrage video again. I will post me finding products. It's cool, it's fun sometimes, but it's not the end all be all. It's not everything that I'm gonna be posting on this channel. That's not what I wanna be known for. My mind frame is what I want to be known for, like, because that will get you through anything. That will help everybody. The way that I think will help way more people than what I do with retail arbitrage. That's not going to help a lot of people. That's going to help a few people, but the way my mind frame, my thought process, that can help everyone. Everyone, because I used to be depressed. I went through depression, right? My mom was sick. My mom was sick with sickle cell, and I was a 13-year-old kid having to call a hospital for my mom. We almost got taken away by child services, right? So, what up? I lived poor, no electricity, you know, no, like sleeping. I was homeless, like, you know, I've been abused as a kid, like, so, like, you guys don't understand, like my mind frame is what's really powerful. My mind frame. This is nothing. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this, but not everyone has the mind frame to even do this, right? Not everyone has the mind frame to go and get things done and be successful and think positively. Right now, my baby's mother is trying to take my daughter from me because I don't want to be with her anymore. Because I don't want to be with her, just because I'm not in love with her, and I'm trying to be civil and want to just be like, listen, I watch my daughter when I have her for half the time, you have her for half the time. Just because I don't want to be with her, she wants to try to take my daughter. She's doing lies to the court system. She's telling lies. This is the stuff I'm going through right now. I gotta pay lawyers for all this stuff for her lies because I don't love her, because I don't want to be with her. She's trying to take my child. You see what I'm saying? So my mind frame is what you guys need to understand, that's what I want to do for this channel. I'm gonna help people with the mind frame. There's no way I've been through all the stuff I've been through and going through the stuff I'm going through now and still put a smile on my face. How do I do that? That's what's important, not this. All right? Hey, but family, listen, I'm not gonna talk your ears off. I already did. It's peace and love. For those of you that rock with me and real fam, and for those of you that are just watching this, hit the subscribe button. And hit the bell to get notified. Hit the bell to get notified. I got you guys. It's peace and love, and support me through everything, because that's what really matters. That's when I'm on, you guys will be on. Trust me, I'm working on things, because once I'm a millionaire, I'm throwing millions away. Not throwing millions away. What I mean, I'm giving them away. I'm giving them away. Once I'm a millionaire and I have endless amounts of money coming in to me, because that's what I'm gonna have. That's what I have. Endless amounts of money coming in towards me. Once that is like that, to a point where I can give away, I'm giving away millions. Watch. That being said, family, it is peace and love. Until the next one, I am out. Peace.